What's up, technology enthusiasts? Welcome back to our channel, where we bring technology to life. Today we'll look at the iQOO 13, a smartphone that is redefining performance and innovation. This technology has been dubbed the flagship killer of 2024, and believe me, it is more than just a slogan. It's more than simply a smartphone, it's a statement. So have a seat and let's see why the iQOO 13 deserves a place in your pocket and your heart. The iQOO 13 features the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which provides lightning-fast performance for gamers, multitaskers, and anyone who needs speed. Its cooling system allows you to push the limits without overheating, making it ideal for long gaming sessions or demanding tasks. Benchmarks reveal that this phone is among the fastest of its kind in 2024. The iQOO 13 has a sleek, lightweight, and long-lasting design that feels high-end in the hand. This gadget is a fashion statement for 2024 since it not only performs but also attracts attention. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display has brilliant colors, strong contrasts, and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. HDR10 support and razor-sharp clarity make watching entertainment or playing games more immersive. It's a screen designed to be experienced rather than merely viewed. The 50MP primary camera stands out for its exceptional low light capabilities, quick autofocus, and beautiful detail. Every shot appears professional regardless of the time of day. When you combine the 13MP ultra-wide and 8MP telephoto cameras, you have a configuration that can compete with even more expensive phones. A 4700 mAh battery provides all-day power, even during heavy use. And if you do need to charge, the 120W quick charging will get you back to 100% in 20 minutes. This is a game changer for everyone on the go. There you have it, the iQOO 13 is a flagship market revolution, not just another phone. It provides amazing value for the money with its pro-level cameras, gorgeous display, and unrivaled performance. The iQOO 13 is a phone that excels at everything, whether you're a gamer, a maker, or just someone who wants the best technology in your pocket. This could be your next update if you're prepared to use a gadget that doesn't cut corners. Tell us in the comments whether you're thrilled about this beast and if you think the iQOO 13 will be your flagship 2024. Stay brilliant and savvy until the next time.